I'm going to be revealing so many ways you can manage your iPhone storage in this video, so do well to watch till the very end. So as you can see on the screen, you can see my messages. There's no messages. That's one of the ways I manage my iPhone storage. So many of you delete your messages on your iPhone, and you are thinking, oh no, I have deleted all my messages and it will help me save up my phone storage. No, your messages are stored somewhere, and I'm going to show you in this video. So now, as you can see on the screen, there is something called edits. All right, so you click on that edit. Let's do it together. Then you see show recently deleted. Okay, just click on that show recently deleted. You see the recent message that I did before. When I had access to this secret, oh my goodness, I have so many messages under this recently deleted. I was like, whoa, so all these messages I've been deleting for months now, for years. Jesus. So now I have only two, because I do it on weekly basis. So let's delete this and this. Then you click on this delete beneath, and free. This that I will show you the next one. I'll not be able to show you if I not on my data. So the next one is Gmail. Let's get straight to Gmail. Okay, so while there already, I just minimize this so it will be so easy. I won't be wasting so much of your time. So now, I believe so many of you delete messages on your Gmail to free up storage, and in fact there are some messages that you shouldn't be receiving on your Gmail. There's a lot of messages that you just need to unsubscribe to, okay, so that you won't be wasting so much energy of going about just deleting messages all the time. So just unsubscribe to those messages you don't want to be seeing again. When you unsubscribe to those messages, it will reduce the stress for you. So let's get straight up to those messages. There are messages you delete on your Gmail. They are not just automatically deleted, okay? They are on your bin. This is bin, bin. So you just click on bin. All right, as you can see, these are messages I've deleted on my Gmail. In fact, this is just few, okay? You might see messages like water. So you just click on empty bin now. Then you have what? You have been able to free up your phone storage, okay? Your iPhone storage is free and free. All right, so now so another way you can manage your iPhone storage is your photos. Let's click on the photos. Let's go. Then click on recently deleted. Can you see recently deleted? Then you see this. You see a lot of things I have deleted from my camera. Everything you deleted from your camera is going straight to your photos, your recently deleted. I have 12 items here. These are just the ones I deleted recently. So you click on select, then you start to select, make sure you select everything. Then you click on this delete. It will tell you this will delete the selected items from iCloud and all connected devices. So delete from all devices you delete. All right, you see, it's actually going to help you free your iPhone for storage. It works, is my iPhone I'm using now to make these videos, and many other videos I've been making. So you see, I'm enjoying my free iPhone storage. So do the same and enjoy it. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Like this video, subscribe to Jesus Bright channel for more. Thank you for watching Jesus Bright channel. See you on the next video. Bye.